Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, Chinese companies are in an enormous binge of overseas investment. But first, Vancouver is moving to impose an empty homes tax of up to 2% per year, based on its assessed value. It is in response to a near zero rental vacancy rate and widespread concerns that outside investors are just banking homes as appreciating assets. But the tax will only be imposed on owners who self-declare that their property is vacant. And related perhaps, in a roundabout sort of way, Chinese companies are on an overseas investment surge. In August alone, they shipped more than $20 billion offshore, buying up investments. That is 15% higher than the same period a year ago. In fact, in the 8 months to August, the pace is more than 50% higher than the same period last year. Australia's grocery market is famously anti-import, and fruit and vegetables section is the most protectionist. However, things are changing, although not without some stiff resistance from local growers who have grown fat and lazy in the current situation. To much criticism from suppliers, Woolworths has decided to import avocados from New Zealand for its Queensland stores. No doubt this is a shot in the arm for Kiwi growers who are already riding a boom in export volumes. So no inhibition from the high Kiwi dollar here. Aussie consumer sentiment is remarkably stable, despite the noise of volatility at home and around the world with events like Brexit and a shambles of a federal election that sorted out nothing. The Westpac Melbourne Institute Index of Consumer Sentiment rose just 0.3% in September to 101.4. That's up from 101 in August. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is lower again today, now at 1.7%. The oil price has slipped again in today's trading as well, with the US benchmark now just at $43.50 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is just under $46 a barrel. The gold price is marginally higher, now at $1,322 an ounce. And New Zealand dollar opens a bit higher too, now at 72.9 US cents, 97.5 Aussie cents, which is getting up there, and 64.8 euro cents. The TWI is now at 76.3. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.